Welcome to another wash day with me. Today I will be dyeing my hair with this good old natural henna, and I'm also going to be testing out these new curlers by my curl squad, so stay tuned. So as you know, if you've been watching my other videos, I am obsessed with clean, vegan, cruelty-free hair care products. So I'm excited about this henna because, as you can see, it is all natural. So they come with these clarifying shampoos, which are also natural. And if you look on the side of the box, it will give you a list of ingredients that comes in this. I don't think it has too much on the back. So yeah, let's take a look at the box. Let's see. All right, so for the henna, these are the natural ingredients that this dye is made out of. All great things that you can put in your hair, and again, it's 100% natural. So this one, these are the ingredients for the clarifying shampoo. All natural ingredients once again. So this is why I chose these two specific dyes for today's wash day. So for my pre-poo, I made sure that I coated my hair with coconut oil, black castor oil, and aloe vera, and then I put a shower cap on overnight. Good morning, it's wash day and I'm super excited. Please don't mind this, I just woke up to this nastiness on my face. Anyway, so I did a pre-poo last night. Got my hair nice and oiled so that when I put this color in it, it doesn't do any further damage, because my bleached hair is already starting to thin. And that was expected, because like I said before, my hair absolutely hates being bleached or stripped. So it's actually doing very good considering the fact, and I think it's because I'm natural and I'm not relaxed at the moment. But nevertheless, I decided to do the henna, and I'm gonna mix it with the pink just because originally I was going to do the pink, and I really like the mahogany red, but according to the box, this version is a little bit darker than the other tones. So I'm hoping that mixing it with the pink will give it a little lighter, more reddish than mahogany vibe. It's gonna be exciting and it's gonna be interesting. Whatever color comes out is what I'm gonna rock. I'm gonna be happy with either one. But again, I'm adding the henna to my hair because I've read articles that say that henna strengthens your hair strands. It's a really good natural hair dye that you can use to kind of give your hair some more strength and give it some more life. So I'm hoping that it will coat my bleached hair, like this hair here, this hair here, because this hair back here is definitely thinning or shedding a lot. And then I'm hoping that it will give this some strength because my new growth is very strong. And because it's so healthy and it's strong, it makes my hair like stand up, like back here, it'd be like this. So I'm hoping that the henna will give it some more weight so it'll hang. And then I got my new rollers that I'm gonna try. So today's gonna be a very fun and eventful day. I will be straightening my hair to put the rollers in. So it's gonna be a long ass day, let's just say that. But I'm gonna take you on a ride with me. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.
Yeah. I'm some loving. Let me see what you got, baby. So let me see. Artisan, baby. I hear you. Yeah. Rock with me. It's all or nothing. So let me see.
Hey girl, I'm debating if I should take you home. Should I take you home? I don't mean to keep you waiting, but I just gotta know if you're ready. She say she wanna take positions, we so explicit. You've been saying all night long that you couldn't wait to get me all alone. What you gon' do to me? Don't talk about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Girl, I can't wait to get you home. Talk a good game, man. Come on, hollering about what you gon' do to me. Quit talking about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see, let me see. I've been anticipating what you would do to me. What you gon' do to me? Sipping on that Merlot, so you know what's next. Perfect in the mission, switching positions, we so explicit. You've been saying all night long that you couldn't wait to get me all alone. What you gon' do to me? Don't talk about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Girl, I can't wait to get you home. Talk a good game, man. Come on, hollering about what you gon' do to me. Quit talking about it, be about it. Let me see. Singing is believing.
Got on all my ice, talking cash. Been ballin' all my life, Lamborghinis, fast whips. She down to ride and deserves a boss who down to provide. We run the streets but on G5s, I'm talking fly. Boots and blue jeans, Cartier, newer rings. You with a big boy, so we do the big things. Had the valet parking, Chanel hoodie on. Looking like Trayvon Martin, George Zimmerman on wanted. She on my wanted poster, so rockin' my mimosa. I'm ballin' like LeBron, we shopping in Milan. The 458 Ferrari, I park it on the lawn. I let her meet my tongue, she blew up like a bomb. The sex is so explosive, her stuff is supersonic. She my new addiction, I swear I'm through it. Rose and Usher Raymond, girl, we the hottest, rockin' the most ice. I say we the hottest.
You've been saying all night long that you couldn't wait to get me home. What you gon' do to me? Don't talk about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see. I can't wait to get you home. Talk a good game, man. Come on, hollering about what you gon' do to me. Talk about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see, let me see.
You bluffing. I'ma need
Something is there to do with you. Let's appreciate you, cause the truth is that you haven't said. We can start off with some compliment. I can go on and on, killing you with these compliments. Words can't describe you, but let me remind. Say I'm sexy, say I'm fly.
Alright, so interestingly, it looks more pink than it do red, but we gonna see when I rinse it out. And I ended up having to use both bottles, which I don't think I had to use both bottles last time. I messed this towel up. I don't think I used both bottles last time. I think I used one. But I'm about to put my shower cap on and let this sit. And we gonna rinse it out and see what the heck we got going on under here. I'm excited. I did want it to be more red, but that's okay. You never know how it turns out in the end. So let's let it sit until it's time. And then, I can always go back and put more red henna in because that paint not gonna last long anyway. The packaging says for 4 to 6 washes, and I think it lasted 4 for me because I used a lot of product in my hair. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit for 30. I'm gonna double cap it. I would put my... I have a towel bonnet. I mean a towel turban, but I think it's dirty. So I'll tell you what. Just because I want a little heat, I'm gonna wrap it. Just so I can kind of get some heat from my scalp on it. And then I'll be back once I rinse it out. I think I just saw a nipple. Bye. First off, my hair looks crazy right now because I just finished washing it out. But yes, I like this. It's so pretty. I can't wait to see it dry. Well, I'm about to condition my hair now. Whew, it looks crazy right now. But what I did was I created, it's just so loud. I went ahead and did some virgin olive oil and I mixed it with the rest of my dark Jamaican black castor oil. And what I'm gonna do, ooh, that shit loud. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on first and then I'm going to put my conditioner on top of it. Then I'm going to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes and just let it penetrate and kind of revive my hair because it's all dried out right now because I stripped it of everything and I colored it. So yeah, this shit is so loud. Let me turn this off. I'll be back. Here with this extra virgin olive oil and this Jamaican black castor oil mixture. My hair does feel a lot stronger. Not a lot stronger, but it's not as fragile as it was before. So I know it's some areas that still look kind of blonde. Cool. I like having more colored hair. And I like doing this because something about heat, water, and oil, my hair absolutely loves. Plus I only have a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil left and I want to stretch it. So I'm doing like basically like a hot oil treatment in addition to my hydrating conditioner. I'm getting ready to start making some herbal oils just to kind of help stimulate some hair growth for myself. Because I know a lot of people suffer from like alopecia, premature hair loss, and hair thinning. I have a hair thinning issue for sure. I got some scalp stuff going on for sure. So I want to make some oils that we can put in our hair daily that can help heal our scalp, keep our hair healthy, grow our hair back. My scalp right now is a little tender today. It's cutting up. So something's going on there. But yeah. So that's coming up next. Let me do my conditioner. Then I am going to blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to roll it. I'm going to roll it in these like spoolie kind of coils. And I'm going to sit under the dryer, and then we're going to let it out, see what we working with. I like this color though so far. I do. Nice little auburn. Alright, I'll be back. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at RayellasLovesYou, and also check out our website www.rayellaslovesyou.com.